Welcome to day 2. Yesterday we talked about the destructive trio that's strangling your nerves. Today we cut off its fuel supply. The number one hidden fuel for nerve-destroying inflammation isn't just sugar. It's a class of ingredients found in almost every processed food, industrial seed oils. These oils like soy, corn, canola, and vegetable oil are highly inflammatory and create massive oxidative stress. They are a primary driver of the damage. So here is your first action plan, your first quick win. I call it the 24-hour pantry purge. I want you to go to into your kitchen and ruthlessly eliminate the big 3 nerve toxins. Number 1, sugar and refined flour, breads, pastas, cereals, sodas. Number 2, industrial seed oils. Check your salad dressings, margarine, chips, and packaged foods. Number 3, artificial sweeteners. Anything labeled diet or drug sugar-free. This single act is the most powerful physical step you can take to halt ongoing nerve damage. You are taking back control of your environment. Now that you've stopped adding fuel to the fire, how do you start repairing your damage? Tomorrow, I'll introduce you to a powerful drug-free therapy you can do at home to literally wake up your sleeping nerves and feel a difference almost immediately.